Hey guys and girls, it's Wednesday the 2nd of December 2020 and it's just gone past 3:10. As you can see by my ridiculous little outfit here, I'm heading up into the mountains, going to do some mountain biking. I did take you guys up there in summertime, but it was a little bit ropey. It was quite a trail coming back down from there, and I thought to myself, next time I definitely need to wear a helmet because if I fall over there I'm going to have some problems. So anyway, hopefully today will be all good. I've got 1 hour and 50 minutes to get up there and get back down again. So we'll see how well I do. At 5 o'clock the sun goes down. I don't have any lights on my bike, so I don't really want to be out in the dark. Let's go to the mountains. The temperature today is 15 degrees. It's a little bit sunny today. There's a little bit of a wind. It says here that there's a wind with max gusts of 32 kilometers an hour. It's a little bit windy, a little bit chilly. The sun rose today at 7:34 in the morning and it's setting at 5:05. So the bike I'm using, it's an electric bike, but it's not a mountain bike. I don't know if you can see on the front here, it doesn't have any suspension on any of the forks. It's quite a hard ride really, as soon as you go over bumps, so it's not really well suited to that. But it's got a really nice motor on it, which is the Bosch Performance line. It's restricted to 25 kilometers an hour, but it's got quite a lot of power on it, so if you run it in turbo mode, you hardly have to do any work. So we're heading off into these mountains over here. It's called the Serra da Gardunha. I'm going to try and see if I can get to that little tower on the very top. I don't have very much time. 3:18 now, I'm wasting time. Let's do this. I have no idea what the hell's going on here. This happened to me once before, where basically you turn the bike on and it's not showing kilometers an hour. And yeah, so it looks like I'm going nowhere. The thing about these electric bikes is they're incredibly heavy, and so when you don't have the engine working, it's much harder to cycle than a normal bike. I'm definitely not going to be going up a mountain like that, so I just want to see if I can try and get this fixed. There we go. Problem solved. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell that's all about.
I think you need to take it back to the shop.
Yeah, I'll take it back for a service, yeah. Anyway, hopefully this doesn't happen up in the mountains now. Alright, so 31 minutes past 3. I got 1.5 hours to get up the mountain and down. Let's do this. Or did I put the key back in here? I can't feel it. Oh man, this is a real bad start I'm having. Now I don't have the key. The key's to open up the battery compartment, so if the bike does cut out again, then at least I'll be able to move the battery around. The key's not on the ground. I literally just had it in here getting the battery in and out. It's not in my pockets. It's absolutely nowhere to be found. Oh wait, it's in this pocket. There we go. Right, so after those false starts, let's hit the road. Got 1 hour 25 to get up that mountain and back down again. Okay, so this is the real start of the dirt road now. Oh, what a beautiful spot. Let's just take some pics here for a sec. Even though it's an electric bike, you still do have a bit of a workout. Especially when you're doing a gravel track uphill. Right, let's put our camera bag down here. Let's get our nice camera out, do some good shots. Well, it's 3:56 now. I got 1 hour 4 minutes till it's dark, so I'm going to see if I can go a little bit higher up, and I don't know, like hopefully up there or something. I kind of left it a little bit late today. I don't know, man. I thought 2 hours would be plenty, and then obviously the bike didn't start, and yeah, all sorts of stuff happens. Starting to run out of battery. It's 4 o'clock now. I don't really know how high up I am. Actually, in the background there, I don't know if you can see it, let's see. In the background over there is the Maritake Dam. So we're quite high up. There's the top. But I'm definitely not going to make the top of the mountain today. But look at this. It's like a cool old ruin. It's got no door, so I'm just going to walk in. I don't think I'm trespassing because there's no land around it apart from a public road. Yeah, so this looks like some kind of a chimney. You can see there's lots of soot on the side of it. So it's probably a fireplace there. Big bars on the windows. I'm not sure what that was. Doorway over here, probably the front door over here, and another doorway leading through to another ruin over there. Pretty cool. And then yeah, I don't really know what this is. Actually, this isn't a doorway, this is just a window. This is probably just like a storeroom or something. Huh. And no roof. Actually, looking on the outside, this little building over here is a garage. And upstairs, downstairs, front door. Ridiculous views. I mean, look at this. Sure. What a place. I'm guessing it would have got completely annihilated in the fires of 2017. So that's why you're seeing it like it is now. Well, it's 4:15 now. I'm going to see if I can send the drone up and get some cool pictures. Yeah, it's going to be sunset soon. I can't stay for sunset, unfortunately, because I have no lights on the bike. It's quite windy up there.
The drone's not liking it.
Okay, so the drone's telling me that it needs to return to home immediately because it's a strong wind warning. Probably shouldn't have flown it today. Doesn't seem like anything's working out today. Come on, drone, you can do it. Well done, drone. Didn't crash. Okay. So, it's been a bit of a bum trip. Couldn't get the bike to work. Couldn't get the drone to work. Well, I could get the drone to work, but it was too windy. And I've run out of time. Yeah, well, I think that's just a sign to say, let's get back down this mountain. I've got 40 minutes to get home before it's dark. And yeah, nothing really seems to be working. But it's still been really beautiful up here, don't get me wrong. I've just been having a hard time getting technology to work today. So yeah, just one of those things. I need to come back up here another day and do some proper filming. Maybe when it's not so windy. It said maximum gust 35 kilometers an hour, but to be honest, the wind's a lot stronger than that. I'm kind of in the shelter of this house here. But as soon as you go around the corner, it just absolutely gusts. So yeah, and it's quite cold. I'm going to put these gloves on for the way back. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what there was of the little mountain trip. Let's get back down now. Oh, there we go. For a second there, I thought the bike wasn't gonna start up. Hey, don't get me wrong. These bikes are amazing, and this Bosch system is incredible. I think I've just got a loose wire somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to take it to the bike shop. See if they can have a look at it. Because yeah, it's absolutely awesome bike. And yeah, and this Bosch system is incredible. But it is a little bit concerning that every now and then the bike can just cut out. And you know, I can be up in the mountain and get stuck. So yeah, let's get down here. This is usually fun.